It was one of the most ironic chapters in African political history. A coup-born soldier defending democracy abroad. Head of state General Sani Abacha, the same man who jailed his opponents at home and ruled by decree, had become the foreign champion of democracy. In 1997, Sierra Leone was engulfed in chaos. President Ahmad Tejan Kabbah, elected barely a year earlier on the promise of peace, was overthrown in a coup led by Major Johnny Paul Koroma and his Armed Forces Revolutionary Council, AFRC. The junta invited the Revolutionary United Front, RUF, rebels, the same group Kabbah had been fighting, into government. Freetown descended into anarchy. Civil servants fled. The radio played only military decrees. Across the Gulf of Guinea, Nigeria's own ruler, General Sani Abacha, watched closely. Though he had seized power by force in 1993, Abacha had strategic interests. A stable Sierra Leone meant security for Nigeria's western flank and influence over the region's mineral-rich corridor. Acting under the banner of ECOMOG, the Economic Community of West African States Monitoring Group, Nigeria took the lead in organizing a regional military intervention. In February 1998, Nigerian-led ECOMOG forces, commanded by Major General Timothy Shelpity, launched Operation Sandstorm. After weeks of heavy shelling and close-quarter combat, they overran Freetown. The AFRC-RUF alliance collapsed, and Koroma fled into the bush. On March 10, 1998, amid jubilant crowds waving palm branches, President Kabbah was restored to power, escorted to State House by Nigerian troops. The irony was unmistakable. Abacha, the same man who jailed his opponents at home and ruled by decree, had become the foreign champion of democracy. Yet for Nigeria, the intervention showcased its might. The ECOMOG campaign reaffirmed Abuja's dominance in West African peacekeeping, from Liberia to Sierra Leone, even as its own citizens groaned under dictatorship. By June 1998, just months after Kabbah's reinstatement, Abacha himself would be gone, dead in Abuja under mysterious circumstances. But the legacy of that campaign endured. For Sierra Leone, it marked the beginning of the long road back from civil war. For Nigeria, it was a paradox written in gunfire, a nation ruled by a coup plotter, spending blood and treasure to undo another man's coup in the name of democracy. Follow for more.